video, we're going to watch Steve Harvey as he talks about how to create a vision board and how a vision board is going to help you plan out a life and how God is going to work out in helping you fulfill that vision board come to life. So let's get into it.
What? Oh, you're going to be okay. Film student. You're studying it? Yeah, that's one thing. You had to go to class. So just, if that's your dream, you got a vision board? Is it on your vision board? Okay, cool. Put it on your vision board. Work like a dog. No, really, and ask God for some help. That's the way you make it in life. If you don't have vision boards, let me explain something to you. Let me explain something. People do not understand this. If you do not have it written down, your chances of it happening is reduced drastically because it's a principle of success. You have to have everything you want written. It's in the Bible. Now, you ain't got to be the greatest Christian in the world. You still got to get some of these scriptures and apply them. Habakkuk 2:2. It says, write the vision and make it plain, so that he who reads it will run to it. And even though it tarry, that means take a long time, wait for it, for surely it will come at an appointed time. That's in the Bible. Listen to me. That's real. If you don't think it's real, I dare you to try it. Write everything you want on a piece of paper. Everything. I don't care. Use your wildest imagination. If you can think it, you can achieve it. Write it on a piece of paper. Read it every morning and every night. Come back here 1 year from today and see how much of that stuff then came true. That's a promise of your God. That ain't no theory I come up with. That's all successful people have. Oprah's on TV for 30 years telling people about vision board. It's very real. You have to write it. If it's not written, you reduce your chances greatly of it ever occurring. Everything I've ever gotten in life, I've written. Vision board is crazy. You wouldn't even believe I'm not even in the need business anymore. I'm in the want business. I don't need nothing. Got houses, cars, success, career, family, kids. What's on my vision board now is astronomical. And guess what? I'm gonna get all of it. I'm gonna get all of it. You should try that. You should try it.
So yeah, having a vision board is going to help you achieve a lot of things that you want in your life. So as Steve Harvey said, you have to create your own vision board and write down your goals and wants and desires. And then that's how God will actually help you achieve, make those things come to turn into reality. And also another point that I want to add to that is it should help you. It has to mean something. The things that you add to your vision board. By adding those pictures, the quotes, the snapshots from various magazines or from free stock websites, or all the things that you want in your life, it will show you all the possibilities of what you can do, what you can be, what you would like to experience, what you would like to live like, where you want to go. All these things will come into picture when you try to assemble your vision board. So if you're really stuck to come with the vision board, I've created a vision board mini course that you can find in links in the description below. It's going to help you create a vision board that actually helps you create a dynamic life and helps you achieve things on a fast level. So most people who do not achieve much in life don't have a vision board because, as Steve Harvey himself said in the video, that having a vision board is going to be the starting point for you to create a life that you desire or want. So right now he says that he still has a vision board, but now he's not in the want business, he's in the need business. I mean, like, he's not in the need business, he's in the want business. So if anything that you need to start adding things to your vision board, and that is going to help you create a life of purpose and you're going to follow in that direction. And as you keep going about your day, you will attract things into your life. So if you like this video, I want you to hit the like button and drop a comment below on why you think having a vision board is good for you, or how you think, what are things that you want to achieve in your life that you would like to add to your vision board. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.